there, welcome to the add-ons. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up conditional email logic in Contact Form 7. You can automatically send emails to different recipients or only send emails when certain conditions are met. Let's get started. Section 1. Email routing conditional logic. Send emails to different recipients based on user selection. For this example, user chooses between technical support and billing support, meaning your form sends the email to different addresses depending on the selected support type. Now let's set up conditional email routing. First, create a form. I'm reusing the form we built previously. If you want to know how to set the condition to show each section based on user selection like this, you can watch the previous video in the description. Now add email routing condition. Condition 1. Send technical support to the technical team. Enter the email. For email template, I will custom the template. Set condition. If select 736 equals technical support, add condition 2. Send billing support to billing team. Custom the email template. Set the condition. If select 736 equals billing support. Save and test the form. Check the email. Here, open it. You will see the custom subject and message we just created. Let's try to choose billing support. Check the email. Here, open it. You will see the custom subject and message we've just submitted. That's how easy email routing is with conditional logic. Now move to section 2. Send email only if condition is true. In this example, we only want to send an email when two things are true. A user selects yes and a user enters a valid email address. I have created a form and set the condition field. So now set the condition email. Enter the email. This means the email is sent directly to the user. Custom the template. Set the condition if radio 90 equals yes. Save and test the form. Open the email to see. And that's it. You know how to set up conditional email logic in Contact Form 7. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.